Hi Indrani, Nyanta here. Hi everyone else. Nyanta here from INX Services Mumbai. Wishing all of you all a very happy new year first of all, and all the very best for your targets, and have a great year ahead. It's really great working here. Thanks. Take care.
Hi Indrani and everybody, this is Agnes from INX Services Mumbai branch, and I've just joined a month back in the accounts department. Wish you all a happy Christmas and happy new year too. Thank you.
Hi Indrani and everybody, I'm Siju from Mumbai. First of all, I'm wishing you all a very happy Christmas and a very happy New Year. All please do the collections fast. So please do the collections fast. It will help me and Indrani too. Thank you.
This is Sada from Mumbai branch. I take care of banking and financial sector. All the best for the coming year and wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thanks.
Mumbai rocks.
And hi everybody out there. This is Sheetal Jamne from INX Mumbai. I work as an HR consultant out here, and I'm in media and FMCG team. And it is nice working with INX Service. I've learned a lot of things, like basically I would say headhunting, and I enjoy working out here. And I wish all the best to all of you out there for your targets, and wish you a happy New Year and happy Merry Christmas. Bye.
Hi Indrani, hi everybody. This is Priya from Mumbai INX. Wishing you all the best and Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Hi Indrani and everybody out there. This is Nishaya from INX Service Mumbai. It's been a pleasure working with INX Services, and wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Have a great year ahead. All the best.
Hi Indrani, hi Pratul, hi everybody. This is Meghna from Bombay branch. Working with INX since past 1 year. It's been a great experience working out here. Give me a great platform to uniquely contribute to the INX's growth, which uniquely contributed to my individual growth. Wish you all the very best. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
Okay, hi Indrani and hi everybody. Pehchan Khan. Okay, this is Rachita here from INX Services Bombay. First of all, wish you a very happy Christmas and a very happy New Year. I've been working with INX since 2 years now. A great place to work, lots to learn, and I think a lot of experience, still more to go. Anyways, wish you all the best for the year ahead and for our targets, and all the best.
Really? Hi Nani or hi भाई लोग. This is फजल मुगल from INX बॉम्बे चौकी कैदी नंबर 15. 1.5 साल से सज़ा काट रहा हूँ सैटरडेज़ को आने की और कभी कभी लेट आने की. मैं यहाँ पे FMCG और मीडिया गैंग संभालता हूँ और बाकी सब क्लाइंट लोग को भी संभाल लेता हूँ. Well, let's get to some serious talk now. This is Fazal from INX Services Bombay, wishing you all the best for the coming year 2006 and 7. Wishing you guys a Merry Christmas and a very happy and a prosperous New Year. May God bless you all. That's it. And let me tell you one thing more. Mumbai rocks.
Azad here from the Bombay team. I take care of media, and just want to say that it's been a pleasure working with everybody here in Bombay. They're such great people and have made my journey here memorable. I just want to tell you all this, that whatever you're going to be saying, whatever you've seen, just took the entire day to put together. So please, all of you stand up and give us all a very big hand.
Ratish, what happened in the first quarter? There was no billings at all.
Yeah, I mean, the start was pretty bad, and the candidates were just not joining, and we all thought it's like, I mean, the start was pretty bad, but I mean, that's how it is. That's how you grow. I mean, everything starts from failures and then you grow on to make. I mean, you've seen our performances. So that's about it.
हाँ जी सुनील जी, अब आप हमको बताइए कि फर्स्ट क्वार्टर के बाद जो आपके अगले 2-3 क्वार्टर्स थे उसमें हम लोगों ने देखा है कि काफ़ी अच्छी ग्रोथ हुई है इन टर्म्स ऑफ बिलिंग, कंसल्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस। तो फर्स्ट क्वार्टर के बाद आपने क्या चेंजेस थे और आपकी क्या स्ट्रेटजीज थी जो आपने अपनाई और टारगेट्स को यहाँ तक पहुँचाया? क्या आप दर्शकों को बताएंगे प्लीज़?
पहले अपने पास करने के लिए काम नहीं था, आदमी लोग थे पर काम नहीं था। बाद में इंद्रानी और प्रतुल ने जाके रिलायंस किया, टाइप किया, बहुत सारा काम लाया। अब माइकल को कोई टेंशन नहीं, सब काम अपने आप हो रहा है। तो आप देख रहे हैं कि सीनियर लेवल पोजीशन जाने से कितना फ़र्क पड़ जाता है। वीरापाल, hey Veerapal.
Okay guys, tell me, how's the experience working with Dada?
It's really good. I mean, it's the results are there for everybody to see. The attrition level has come down tremendously, and the performances levels have gone up to a great extent. I mean, we are quite sure that with Dada being around us and the kind of business coming in, we are sure that we're going to achieve 2 crores, 4 crores, 6 crores. So for the 3 years we're on.
Well, it's been a great experience working with Pratul Bhai. Lot of good memories. Especially on the Carter Road. On the Carter Road. So you know what, Pratul Bhai, we'll be waiting for you. So why don't you just leave this boring AGM and just come and join us at Carter's?
Well, if you talk about Pratul as a boss, excellent, always there, always there after your ass most of the times for the CVs and all. But as a friend, as a human being, excellent guy to work for. Some lovely memories.
As a friend, he is a human being, but professionally he is not.
Yeah, actually, he's a great guy, and especially the memories of the Carter Roads and the Jew clubs. It's been lovely, and Dada, missing you a lot. And we heard that you are not drinking there, so why don't you just leave that and come here, man? We have got the bottles ready here.
Waiting for you, man.
We got the bottles ready here.
Cheers!
And let me just put a happy end to it. It's the Mumbai branch is a lovely place. It's like a heaven to us. Lovely people around with a lovely boss. All the people in Mumbai love you, Dada, and you are great. That's it. That's
You rock.
You rock.
Okay guys, please tell me what's it like to work with Indrani?
Mario. Well, it's great working with Indrani. I mean, she's a very down to earth person. I mean, we never felt as if she's the director of the company, or yes, she's a very good colleague. She helps you out with everything that you need. Okay, the kind of positions that you wanted, the kind of billings that you wanted, she'll always help you out. If you have to convince somebody who's not it already, I mean, I can tell you there's only one person on this planet who can do it, and that's Indrani. Wonderful working with her. And Indrani, it's been great working with you, and want to have a few more years with you at least. Thanks.
Yeah, I don't think you can find a better boss than Indrani. Perfect. I mean, blend of everything. What more do you want?
Yeah, seriously, she's really very good. And
She's amazing.
She's amazing.
Awesome.
And she sits right behind me, so it's like 24 hours her eye is on my palm and on me.
So you can't check.
But I can. No, seriously, she's really amazing person.
Well, when you talk about Indrani, the first thing that clicks on your mind is the Anga Aarti. Indrani, you are looking gorgeous. Well, working with Indrani, tremendous experience. Especially the pleasure is working on the top level assignment that she puts into you. An amazing boss.